Okay, I want to show you this little cat hair rake because I just did this side of the couch, and I'm looking at this side going, this doesn't look so bad. But then I started, and oh my God. Okay, so the interesting thing about this, number one, I'm going around the house saying, what can I clean? So it's one of those things where you get it, so just be warned. You get it, and then you start realizing how much hair is probably on everything, and you can't stop using it. So you kind of have to set aside some time. I was up until like 1 in the morning the other night cleaning stuff. And the carpets, you know, along the carpets where you have like the very edge along the baseboards where it looks a little darker, it's because it's cat hair or it's dust, you know, if you don't have cats. But if you have cats and dogs, go along that baseboard and you will be horrified at how much fur you're pulling up. And I mean, you can still get more if you go back on. Look, I mean, there's still a little bit more coming up. So the interesting thing about this, I was actually, I'll show you the comb I was using. I was using this cat comb to do this, but because it has the teeth, I can't use it on the carpets. This is just a coil. It's a metal coil. There's no teeth on it at all. And this grabs the hair like nobody's business. This is amazing. I love this thing. It does come with a longer handle. I think I'm just going to leave it, you know, this smaller one because you can put more pressure on it. But oh my gosh, and it doesn't hurt the carpets. I was down there really putting a lot of pressure on the carpets. It doesn't hurt. It brings up so much hair. It's this thing, like I said, this is one of those things that you get and you start looking around, what can I clean? What can I clean? So just give yourself some time the first time you play with it. It's amazing. And I love this thing, and I'm probably going to get another one in case I lose this one.